Hi there, Planetary Kin. Today is a white lunar dog day, guided by the wind, the second day of the red moon wave spell. So we're in the second day of 13 days of going with the flow, purification, and receiving pure consciousness, purifying so that we receive pure consciousness and initiate the flow. So today is the anchoring day, where it anchors into the physical plane through the dog, which is love. So love is family, is being connected physically to others and to flow with that. So today here in my home there's a birthday party where we all get to flow, to sing. It's guided by the wind, which is to sing, and there's lots of kids around, and so it's a day of anchoring the flow through having loads of people to play with in the physical plane, it seems, from our experience. So yeah, that's what's occurring today here in my world. White lunar dog, guided by the wind, anchoring the flow through being connected to family. So blessed be, purifying everything, purifying any patterns of resistance to just being in pure flow with other people. So blessed be, talk to you tomorrow.